Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Taurus brake light only ways. Start by parking on level ground, turning the engine off, and engaging the parking brake. Gather gloves, a screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Open the trunk and remove the access panel behind the light assembly. Work calmly, avoid touching the new bulb glass, and test the light before fully reassembling the panel. Collecting the right tools makes this fix quick and pleasant. Wear gloves to protect the new bulb from oils, and prepare a small flashlight to see behind the assembly. Confirm the bulb type against your owner manual or existing bulb before buying. A clean workspace prevents lost screws and scratched lenses. Having everything ready saves time and reduces frustration while you work at the trunk edge. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while working on your car and fits most cup holders, making brakes easier and less messy. I use it during long DIY jobs for steady sips and fewer interruptions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing the trunk access panel and locating the brake light housing bolts. Unscrew them gently, ease the housing outward, and disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the clip. Swap the old bulb with the new one, avoiding contact with the glass, then reconnect and test the brake light with a helper or by backing up to a reflective surface. Once confirmed, secure the housing and replace the panel for a tidy finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.